guys, welcome back to the latest episode of Cooking with Magic. And today we are going to be making the famous Cobb salad from Hollywood Brown Derby, which is in Hollywood Studios. So this is a very famous dish. If you've ever been to Brown Derby, you've either seen it or you've had it. It's pretty much what they're known for, is the Cobb salad. Now the original restaurant in Hollywood, actually Hollywood, California, was where this salad was invented. And this salad in particular, the restaurant owner, Robert Cobb, of course, he had a late night guest, Sid Grauman, which you recognize that name from the Grauman Chinese Theater. And so he tried to throw together like a special something for him with whatever he had in the kitchen, so the story goes, and this is what he came up with, which is the famous Cobb salad. And the very next day, Sid came back and ordered it again because he liked it so much. So if you're visiting Hollywood Studios and you have a chance to dine at the Brown Derby, definitely do so, because it's really good food. It's an amazing restaurant, one of the better restaurants on Disney property in my opinion. So as always guys, please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff on the video so we can get more exposure. And so with the recipe today, we're basically going to break it down in 3 sections: the lettuce, the toppings, and the dressing. So let's get to it. Alright, so before we get started with the actual lettuce, the base of the salad, you can prep up. You're going to need 3 boiled eggs and 6 slices of bacon. What? You ate one? So you're going to need 5 slices of bacon. My lovely.
And you're gonna need to try to make it twice, because I ate all the tomatoes the first time.
Yeah, we tried to record the video last week, but we had no tomatoes because someone ate all the tomatoes. But no, seriously though, 6 strips of bacon. Go ahead and do that right now. 3 boiled eggs. That way it's already ready by the time we get to that part. For the lettuce, you just need. Okay, so let me first clarify something. We're gonna say several times on this video things that we're substituting because either we don't have them or there was something we didn't like or whatever. So you need iceberg lettuce. That's the easy one. Then you need, and I hope I pronounced this right, chicory, some kind of lettuce, which I cannot find for nothing. There's another type of lettuce that's very similar called endive and rhodiosi, and dude, just blame it on COVID-19 or something, because I couldn't find any of that. So I'm going to go with arugula. That's going to be our substitute for that particular lettuce. You want something with a little bite, a little sharpness to offset the plainness of the iceberg lettuce. And you also want watercress. So the main thing with the Cobb salad is everything is chopped up real fine and laid out in a certain pattern. So literally just chop up all this lettuce, chop, put it in a bowl, mix it up, and that's going to be our base. Okay? Alright, so once you've got it all chopped up, then just mix it, and this is going to be our base for our salad. Alright, so just whenever you got it all chopped up, mixed up, put it out on your platter. This is going to be a really big salad. It's used to serve like 3 or 4 people. So you can, get a big plate, plate it up, get it ready to go. All right, now we're ready to top our lettuce, the base. So we need an avocado, relatively large avocado or 2 small avocados, depends on what size you want to get. Our bacon, again, 6 or 5 strips of bacon. 3 boiled eggs. Roma tomatoes. Tomatoes don't really matter what kind you want, but I like the Roma tomatoes. They're easy to do. So I like 3 of those. And then a couple big, thick slices of turkey. You can just get it from the deli. Or you can make your own turkey breast if you want, but that's a lot of trouble. So we're just going to take these. These are sliced on the deli size number 8. Patches is patiently waiting for me to drop some food. So he's like, "What you gonna do with that turkey over there, huh? Can you want to give me some turkey? I want to have some turkey. Okay, you can have some turkey, Patches." Yeah, so literally, dude, we're just going to finely chop all these ingredients. Chives are going to go on top last, and you're going to lay them out in layers on top of the salad, okay? And there's your Cobb salad. Just a couple things, couple points of clarification. When you're chopping your tomatoes, go ahead and take out all the seeds, and that way the tomatoes won't it won't make your salad runny. It won't make it watery. So cut it in half, scoop out all the seeds, and then finally chop it. Also, we forgot to tell you blue cheese. Blue cheese crumbles are one of the ingredients for the toppings. Now, again, we're going to substitute that here. We are not fans of blue cheese in this house. I apologize for anyone that likes it.
I like it.
My cameraman, my camerawoman likes it, but no one else does. So we did feta cheese, okay? So if you want to keep it traditional, do the blue cheese, and hopefully you can find those other lettuces that you need as well. But we did feta. So we got the bacon, tomatoes, cubed turkey, feta, avocado, boiled eggs, ready to go. Next, we'll do the dressing. Okay, let's get to the dressing. So a lot of ingredients here, but it's a pretty simple process. We're going to put everything in the bowl and mix it together except for the oil. And then we're going to emulsify the oil together once we get everything combined. So 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and water. Okay, salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and dry mustard. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 or 2 cloves. I did 2. You can do 3. I don't know why anyone would use 1 clove of anything, but we do at least 2 on everything we cook. So 2 cloves finely chopped, and if I didn't say it, the juice from half a lemon. All right, so let's just go ahead and put everything in the bowl. The water, red wine vinegar, okay, lemon juice, sugar. Oh. Yeah, just get that in there. All right. Let's do the mustard. Okay. Worcestershire sauce. And the salt. Some pepper. And the garlic. Okay. Just kind of get it all incorporated. All right, so once you've got that combined, we're going to add the oil in a little bit at a time, very slowly. We don't want to just throw it all in there. We want to get everything emulsified. So we're going to do 1/3 of a cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Okay, so it's going to get loud. Okay, so wish me luck on serving this because I got 1 shot. I can't make this whole thing again, but let's make sure we want to get everything in there. About to make a huge mess, right? Okay, that's not too bad.
Get more bacon.
More bacon. I need more bacon.
Where's the beef?
I don't think you got any bacon.
But it's not beef.
Okay. All right, not bad. Throw some dressing on there. And we're ready for a taste test. Okay, so we're ready for the taste test. As always, Amanda, my handy dandy cameraman, editor extraordinaire. She's going to have the first taste, but we'll try both. We'll both try it, but let's get it mixed up a little bit so we get a little bit of everything in there. So you can go first. So this is the Cobb salad from the Brown Derby
I need some cheese.
at Hollywood Studios. How's the dressing?
Mm-hmm. It's not too strong. I need more cheese.
I think you're going to like the dressing because you like lemon.
I can taste the arugula though.
Yeah?
It is a little, has a bite.
Well, that's the point, I think, because you've got kind of the contrast between the iceberg lettuce and the arugula, which again was supposed to be the chicory, but it's the same thing. It's kind of a bitter lettuce. Okay, But I mean, you saw this plate, man. I mean, this is enough for like 4 or 5 people to eat off of. So you can definitely share.
The egg tastes good.
Mm-hmm. I like the dressing.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good. So.
I like the bacon.
All right, guys. Well, that's the Cobb salad. All right, guys. So thanks again for joining me. As always, if you want to take a trip to Disney's Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom, anywhere you want to vacation, Universal, Hawaii, Mexico, anywhere you want to go and just enjoy yourself and have a nice vacation, please give me a call at 832-431-1621. Email me at lee@magicourway.com. Facebook, you can find me at facebook.com/Lastovica Travel. That's Lastovica Travel. On Instagram, you can find me at You Got a Friend in Lee Travel. If you do need that, we'll get you hooked up and booked up. So again, thank you for your support. Please like, share, comment, post a link, whatever you want to do, subscribe. And again, thank you for all of your support. Magic out.